Please, your reaction to the judgment, sir.
Yes, for the opposition coalition in Nigeria, this victory is victory for justice, fairness, and rule of law. It was Nelson Mandela that said, "It always looks impossible until it's done."
Yes.
And Pope John Paul VI said, "For us to have enduring peace, we must fight for justice." And I'll borrow from the great philosopher, Sophocles, who said that if we must keep our democracy, there must be one commandment: thou shalt not ration justice. So justice is the path for enduring peace. So I salute the Court of Appeal for this landmark judgment. And the opposition is using this opportunity to appeal to President Muhammad Buhari as the father of the nation. The appeal court have ruled. The international community have also said the same thing. Open the gates. Let NnamdiKanu go home so that we can have peace. Freeing Nnamdi tomorrow latest will be the path for enduring peace. So I commend the Nigerian judiciary. I commend the courage exhibited by the judges that ruled on this matter, and I appeal on the federal government, and in particular, our dear President Muhammad Buhari. It's time for Nnamdi to go home. It's time.